Good morning, guys. It's HL. What's up, guys? It's Godux4. What you guys been up to? Anything for question? Anything? So, well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So, talk to you guys when I'm done work. Right, guys, I'm just going back to work. I did a record. We were looking at couches today. Couch stuffings. Looking for a couch for us, maybe, or sometime this week. We're gonna, I don't know when we're gonna do this, but we are actually gonna try to figure this out. Possibly we are gonna get, I don't know what we're gonna do, a couch or maybe a new vehicle, maybe, I don't know. I have to figure things out, so that's what's going on, you guys. So I will talk to you guys when I am done.
Hey guys, so right now, guys, we're cutting up some cucumber for cucumber salad, so we're making some cucumber salad, so let's get started.
Cucumber salad, and we have sidekicks, and we have some chicken nuggets, and we have some chicken breast that has broccoli in it.
So let's up, so guys, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.